Good morning, students. I hope you all are fit and fine. Let's start a new chapter in English language, chapter 14 prepositions. So, let's start to read. Which of the words and brackets would you use to describe each of these pictures? So, the first one is the owl is under the box. The owl is behind the box. The owl is on the box. The owl is in the box. The owl is in between the boxes. So students, the words that you have selected show where the owl, which is a noun, is in each case. So these are known as prepositions. So prepositions show the relationship between a noun or pronoun and other words in a sentences. Okay. Now the next page. Exercise A. Fill in the blank with in, at or on. First, I called their house but nobody was at home. The cookies are on the top shelf. The computer is on the table. The horse is in the stable. Come sit at the table. It is time to eat. There is a lot of food in the refrigerator. Okay. Now the exercise B. Fill in the blanks with the correct prepositions from the box. First, there is a bridge above the river in that area. The plane flew over the clouds. Aparna is sitting or standing near the car. Near, or we can use beside the car. Okay, now the next page. The green light is below the red and yellow ones. The cat is under the table. Neil is hiding behind the door. Megha is a girl in front of the mirror. The flower vase is kept by the window. White is between blue and red in this flag. He lives with his dog in Canada. The thief tried to run away from the man. The children walk to school every day. Okay? Okay, now the next page. Exercise C. Look at the picture. Fill in the blanks with the words from the box. Some words may be used twice. So the first one is, an old man is sitting on the bench reading a newspaper. The bench is near the gate of the park. There is a cat sleeping under the bench. A girl is taking her dog for a walk. Two boys are playing with a ball. A monkey is jumping from one bench to the another. There is a man sitting on a mat over the grass. Another man is sleeping between two trees. Okay, now the next page. There is a small fountain in the middle of the park and there are some ducks swimming in it. A dog is jumping over the hedge. Now the exercise D. Fill in the blanks with appropriate prepositions. Some sentences may have more than one correct answer. So the bus is, not us is. The bus is following the car too closely. The swan carries her snacks on her back. The balloon floated over the city. Sana held the umbrella over her head. Josu found his cat upon the tree. Now the next page. It is dangerous to run across on the road. The jug is between the two trembles. The rug you are looking for is under the table. Now, next page, learning with Ladybird. So after, at, and on tell us when things happen. So we use after to link two things, like he plays with his friend after lunch. I paint a picture after I get home from school. Now we use at to say the time something's happened. I go to school at 8:30. I go home at 4:30. We use on to say the day or days when something happens. He plays cricket on Saturdays. I visited my grandma and grandpa on Sunday. So student, after, at and on are prepositions of time. Okay, now the next page, match. Friday is match. On, I play the guitar. 3:30 at, I go swimming. On Mondays and Wednesday after 9:25. So I go to bed. Now, exercise 2, write sentences with after, at or on. So I fed the dog, I fed the cat. So I fed the dog after I fed the cat. I play tennis Mondays and Fridays. So I play tennis on Mondays and Fridays. Next, I don't go to school. So I don't go to school on Saturdays. My sister finishes school. So my sister finishes school at 5 o'clock. I do not my I do my homework. So I do my homework after I get home. Okay students, I hope you all understood very well. We will meet you in next class. Thank you. Bye children.